How to increase Snapchat Snap score fast. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can increase your Snap score faster in Snapchat app. Now, if you are a Snapchat user, you probably know what a Snap score is. But if it's your first time hearing this term, it's a score that tells you how active a person is on Snapchat. Generally speaking, the more active you are on Snapchat app, the higher your Snap score will be. Now, if you open Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this, head into your profile by tapping on the profile or Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. And here, just below your barcode, you'll be able to find a number there. Mine, you can see 58,622. If you tap on it, you'll see that it's my Snap score. How to get a higher Snap score or how to increase your Snap score fast. The fastest way to increase your Snap score is by sending more snaps to your friends on a daily basis. Now, if you send snaps to your friends on a daily basis and if you maintain a streak, now you can see my streak here, 1737 with my particular friends here. Now I've changed my snap streak emojis, so don't get confused, but you can see 17, all those numbers popping up that you can see just beside the time of Snap Center received. You can see the Snapchat streak. Now what you want to do is maintain this streak. Now keep in mind that sending snaps and group messages won't increase your Snap score, so what you want to do is make a group. You can create a group for yourself, not a Snapchat group but just a shortcut to send your snap, and you can send snaps to all of your friends at once. What you want to do is add much friend as possible. To do so, first at the top right corner of your screen, just beside the three dots option, you'll find the add option. Tap on it and you can quick add your friends from here, or you can add your friends from your contacts. And the second way to do is open the snaps. If you just receive the snap and if you don't open it, you won't be able to increase your snap score. So what you want to do is view all the snaps that you receive and send as much snaps as possible and maintain this streak. So this way you can increase your Snap score fast. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.